Today I'm going to teach you how to read and reply to received email in Outlook. Alright, so I'm starting here by opening my Microsoft Outlook app, and once that loads up, I'm logging into my account so all my emails can load in properly. This just takes a moment, but once it's done, I'll be able to see everything in my inbox and get to work. Now that my emails have loaded, I'm looking over at my inbox pane on the left side. This is where all my emails and email folders are located. So I'm scrolling through this list to find the specific email I want to read and reply to. Once I spot it, I'm going to double click on it. And as soon as I do that, the email opens up in its own window so I can see the full message clearly without any distractions. At this point, I'm freely reading through the content of the email. I'm taking my time here to understand what the sender wrote, checking any details they included, and making sure I know exactly what needs to be addressed in my reply. This is important because once I start replying, I want to make sure my response is accurate and covers everything they asked about or mentioned. Now that I've finished reading the email, I'm ready to reply. So I'm looking up at the top right part of the preview pane. Right there, I can see the reply option. I'm clicking on that now. And as soon as I click it, a reply window opens up. This window is where I can add and compose my message. What's helpful here is that I can also see the original message I'm replying to at the bottom of this window. So if I need to reference something the sender said or double check any details while I'm writing, it's all right there for me to look at. From here, I'm just typing out my response, I'm keeping it clear and making sure I address everything they mentioned in their original email. Once I've finished writing and I'm happy with how the message looks, I'll click send and the reply will be delivered straight to their inbox, and that's it. I opened Microsoft Outlook, logged in, navigated to the inbox pane, double-clicked the email I wanted to read, reviewed its content, clicked reply at the top right, composed my message in the reply window, and sent it off. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.